So, you want to travel Canada with no money? Let me tell you, it's totally possible if you're resourceful and a bit adventurous. First off, consider hitchhiking. It might sound a bit old school, but it's a great way to meet locals and travel across provinces. Just make a sign with your destination and stand by a busy road. You'd be surprised how many kind-hearted Canadians are willing to give you a ride. Next, think about couch surfing. This is a fantastic way to find free places to stay. You can connect with locals who are open to hosting travelers. Not only do you save money, but you also get to experience the culture from a local's perspective. Another tip, work exchanges. Websites like Workaway or WWOOF allow you to work a few hours a day in exchange for food and accommodation. You could be picking fruit in the Okanagan Valley or helping out on a farm in Quebec. And let's not forget about the beauty of nature. Canada is filled with breathtaking national parks, many of which are free to enter. Pack a tent, a sleeping bag, and your hiking boots, and you can camp under the stars without spending a dime. Finally, embrace the power of social media. Share your journey on platforms like Instagram or TikTok. You might just find sponsorship or donations from followers who want to support your adventure. So get out there and explore Canada. Adventure awaits.